1 hour. If it overheats, it won't do it on a cold day. And it takes over 40 cuts, they say, on a single charge battery, which I charge for 2 hours. And we're going to try our best to do our 40 cuts. There's a safety button over here. Press it, and the unit goes on. So here we go. The upgraded NaTiddy 6-inch chainsaw, 21 volt, 2000 milliamp battery. You get a set of gloves. You get a oil container without oil because it may spill during shipment. You get a replaceable mini 1/4 043 replaceable chain and an instruction guide on how to change your chain. And I'm going to show you right now. Very simple to do. You're going to lift this area up and unscrew the thumb bolt. Lift the cover off entirely, put to the side. This triangular bracket you're going to grab and lift up and away and put to the side. With one of the gloves or both of the gloves, up to you, you're going to grab the whole chain. You're going to push towards the back. You're going to hear this area right here by my thumb snap into place. You let go, and you remove the chain. If you had oil, the oil will go here and over here. The NaTiddy guard or chain goes on one way or the other way. You simply make sure it goes into those brackets. Slide down. With the new chain from the top to the back of the unit, you're going to place the chain back on. You're going to get it over the back of gear as best as you can. You're going to make sure everything's in the groove, because when you release this button, it's going to snap back into place. So be careful your fingers don't get pinched. Give a little twist like so, a little motion, it moves. Put on the triangular bracket matching the holes. If it doesn't line up correctly, you're going to readjust. Put on the cover like so, and you have successfully replaced your chain. Place down the thumb bolt into the locking area and test your unit out. You're given safety goggles, you're given a power supply, and you're given 2 batteries. And this thing will last a very, very long time. Always remove your batteries, put them on charge. It takes up to 2 hours. And this unit will cut up to 6 inches, give or take 40 plus cuts on a single charge. Instead of winter, I cut 40 small branches about 2 inches, and it did a mighty fine job. The NaTiddy chainsaw comes with a nice carrying case. Everything fits in here beautifully. Just take your time putting everything back the way it is. It has a nice hand guard and a protection area right here as well, and a safety guard on top. It comes in a nice color, like a bubblegum color, and you'll be very happy with your chainsaw. It has all the spots for everything, as you can see. Your safety glasses, your chain, your pair of gloves, and your instructions. And you just basically put your oil in over here. No more for tools like a screwdriver to change out your chain. This is an upgraded version of the NaTiddy 6-inch chainsaw. Close it on up, store it away for the next time you need to cut with the chainsaw. I hope you enjoy your product if this is the right chainsaw for you. Have a great day, everybody.